Here's a 2001 Honda Civic, four-door with a moonroof. That's a 2001 Honda Civic with the moonroof, four-door sedan for only $39.99. That's $39.99, value priced right here at Planet Hyundai Centennial. Drive a little, save a lot. We'll see you here. Jeff Nabel with Planet Hyundai in Centennial. Here's a beautiful 2006 Dodge Caravan, 7-passenger, dual sliding doors, and only 53,000 miles. That's 53,000 miles on this 2006 gorgeous Dodge Caravan, dual sliding doors, 7 passengers, only $79.99. $79.99 value pricing here at Planet Hyundai Centennial. Drive a little, save a lot. We'll see you here. Here's a 2003 Hyundai Santa Fe. That's a 2003 Hyundai Santa Fe, value price at only $59.99. That's value priced at only $59.99. See why value pricing is such a great deal here at Planet Hyundai Centennial. Drive a little, save a lot. We'll see you here. Hi, I'm Jeff Nabel with Planet Hyundai's Centennial location, and this is why value pricing is the talk of the town with pre-owned cars at Planet Hyundai Centennial. A 2006 Cadillac CTS with only 67,000 miles, moonroof leather, custom wheels, everything that you can imagine. A very, very nice car for only $12,999. $12,999 for a 2006 Cadillac CTS with low miles. And we're going to take a look at why these cars are value priced and a 150-point inspection that goes along with it. I'm Jeff Nabel at Planet Hyundai Centennial. Our master technicians don't fool around when it's inspecting a pre-owned car with a 150-point inspection. These cars are ready to go, safe, reliable, pre-owned used cars right here at Planet Hyundai Centennial. Drive a little, save a lot. We'll see you here at Planet Hyundai Centennial location.